There we go. It's good. Okay. So we should have sound now. Awesome. Let me know if you guys can hear me now. Okay. Hear, see, yes. Type in 1. Okay. Still no thing yet, mate? Give it a second. Give it a second. Let's see. Do we got it? We still, no sound still. What the? Should be working. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay, good. Guys, type in yes if everyone can hear me. We are good to go. So I have a lot of stuff to share with you today. We're going to go over marketing tech. We've released a lot of new features. Awesome. Great to see you all. Great to see you, Donna, Skander, Mick, Samuel, Larry Smith, John, everyone else here. I'm going to get to questions as well. But what we're going to be talking about here, I'm looking on my screen right here, is marketing tech software. We have a lot of new things to show you. We've done a lot of stuff to help agents and all of you earn more money and find more clients. And I'm going to go over how you manage the businesses within the software that sign up under you. I'm going to show you how to find clients a few different ways. I'm going to show you, we have ads that we have created so that if you want to promote yourself through ads, there are different packages. We don't mark these up. These are just basically at cost, getting you Google, Instagram, Facebook and native ads. And we also have a free tool. I'm going to show you how you can get free leads through our software. Yeah, seriously, this costs us money. And which is why we limit it to 5 leads per free user, so that you can all go out there and get real business contacts that you are speaking with, and you have their name, phone number, email address, and we even have email templates in there. So I'm going to go over all of this stuff in this kind of update about the software, which is pretty exciting. We have a whole team. I have a whole team working on this behind the scenes. So first off, if you haven't, who here has signed up for marketing tech? Who here has signed up for marketing tech? Okay. Now, if you haven't signed up for marketing tech, I'm just going to throw in the marketingtech.io. Okay. Here's where you sign up. Free sign up link. Okay, marketingtech.io. Okay, this will drop you. So as long as everybody got it, cool. Fahima Rahim, you're talking to me. Okay, you want to start affiliate marketing? My course. Yeah, I have a lot of videos on YouTube. Just go to my channel homepage, look up free traffic methods. I'm going to keep this video focused on marketing tech right now, but I will go over all of your questions at towards the end, okay? Because I want to be respectful of everyone's time here, and folks came here to learn about the tens and tens of thousands of dollars a month I'm spending to help you get more sales with the software. So first off, with marketing tech, to sign up, to actually sign up, you'll want to go up here to the Get Started button or Get Started for free. Right up here or right down here, you can get started. And then you'll be dropped on your dashboard. Now on your dashboard is 2 things. Now what we allow you to do, you'll have to go through a setup process, but what marketing tech really is we give you a customized landing page which allows you to sell, allows you to promote, and take payments, monthly recurring payments from local businesses that you know? How many of you know a local business owner? How many folks here know a local business owner? Maybe that's a coach, maybe it's a consultant, maybe it's a plumber, maybe it's somebody who does air conditioning repair or pool installation or a chiropractor, a dentist, or an acupuncturist. How many folks here know a local business owner? Okay. The problem is that a lot of these local business owners still, it is absolute retardation. A lot of local business owners still advertise in these things, okay? They still advertise in magazines. They advertise on Yelp. They advertise on Groupon. They advertise everywhere besides Google, Facebook, and Instagram, which, as we know, gets unbelievable outsized results for any business, okay? So what we want to do is we want to help them get off of the offline advertising, sponsoring little leagues or whatnot. People are on their phones. People are on their computers, and we want to help local business owners who have no understanding of of the internet, really, to help encourage them and motivate them to start doing online ads on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Google for their business. Now, this page explains, your landing page gives you an outline of some of the categories, what businesses we work with. It shows examples of some of the businesses that are already working with marketing tech to be advertised in their local areas. You see an Italian restaurant here in LA, a nail salon has signed up, a day spa in Birmingham, Alabama, and it allows you to take payments from the business owners, okay? That's what we're doing. We're allowing you to start your own local marketing agency and take payments and advertise these local businesses, helping them get online. So let's go over how you manage your clients. Okay, and please ask me any questions. If as long as the questions are related to marketing tech, ask them throughout the presentation. Okay. Now, as you see, when you're logged into marketing tech, this is what your dashboard will look like. Okay, you'll have your landing page. Okay, and you can copy your link to get your landing page link. My landing page is this. I'm going to post it in the chat, okay? And I'm also going to post the sign up link in the chat. So once you've signed up for marketing tech, you'll get a couple different areas, and I'm going to explain them all. So first off, you're going to see some you're going to see how much money you're making, and you're going to see some stats. You're going to see the number of people who have viewed your landing page right here. Okay? This is an important number because you want to get actual. This will tell you if the emails you're sending out or the people you're talking to are actually using your landing page. Okay? So we want to make it easy for you. We also show you how many hot leads you've gotten. And these are business owners who have begun the checkout process. Okay, so when I send my landing page to someone and they say, I say, hey, check out, sign up if you want to. When they start the process of signing up, okay, I just want to show you how this is. YouTube live demo. They'll start going through our system to actually set up their online business, Dave's Lawn Mowers. And we start to generate their ads for them, okay? And as you see, we start getting into our system. We've added a new onboarding experience to create a better experience for your customers to preview where their ads will be showing up in. So let's say we were advertising a business in downtown LA. They probably only want to be shown in a couple mile radius. And we've created a really intuitive onboarding experience to allow people to do that. Now, if it's a restaurant, they only want to be shown in a small area. Whereas if you're selling solar panels, for instance, you might go a little bit of a broader area, because you can, if you do solar panel, if a local business owner does, reverse mortgages or financial services, they can service a larger area. And we've made it really easy to also sign up all different types of businesses. You see all these different types of businesses we have: a French restaurant, lawyers, cafes, bakeries, home organization, home improvement, home security company. You want to advertise a life coach, you have that here. And we can preview their ads for them over here on the right side. Okay? We even create a video for these business owners, and we customize it in the next step. So here is where we customize the videos. And we customize the videos for each of your clients by allowing them to upload an image and a logo file. And these images and logo files can go in the ads themselves or in the videos, like we saw in the previous step. Okay? This video will be populated with, let me turn this. That's so annoying. So this is our video for life coaches, for instance. And as you see, we put the person's name, we put the business address, and we put their phone number in there. And the whole idea is it's in a local area. It's very localized so that people want to do business locally. And that's been the issue, is that people want to do business locally, but local businesses aren't advertised, so nobody knows about them most of the time. Local businesses didn't have the money to advertise before marketing tech. So we just go through. You don't have to do that, and businesses can sign up at the different price points as you see right here. $8 a day, $17 a day, $33 a day. And when you're talking to these local business owners, you can let them know, look, it's $8 a day, it's fairly cheap, okay? And this gets you, and over here on the right side, we're not allowed to technically do this on the landing page, but we show how many impressions we get them, okay? So depending on the package folks sign up for, they're going to be seen, for $1,000 a month, they're going to be seen by 30,000 folks, 30,000 real people using Instagram and Facebook and Google in their local area. Okay, these are local views. Okay, these are all local views for local businesses. And this is the biggest opportunity many of you will have in your lifetimes to actually be able to work with a platform that finally allows people to advertise local businesses. Now, if a local business hits your landing page and they don't enter in their credit card information, they get to this, they enter in their name and email, but let's just say they get a little FOMO or whatever, or they get they don't want to pay right there. What happens, did you see that, folks? Do you see how this updated? You just see that. This went from 10 to 12 now. So you'll be able to see what businesses try to check out from your landing page right here. And if we click in here, what we see, you can see a chart of how many leads you're getting per day. And you can see, it looks like somebody on this webinar tried to sign up. You'll see that it actually has the information that I put in, YouTube live demo, you know, the phone number, all that good information. Now, what's very good is that we save all the information so that you can call up that business owner and just help them. You know, the idea here is I want to give you the information so that you can go out and sign this person up. Give them a phone call, okay? If they started signing up for ads and they didn't actually finish, give them a phone call, okay? If it's late at night, send them a text immediately. But this is very important information to have because you'll want to sign up these businesses. What you'll also notice is, so this is a business that tried to sign up through my website. Oh, oopsies, hold on. Green Pro LLC. So it's a landscaping company. See this? This is a landscaping company that tried to sign up based in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Okay, so that's the onboarding experience, and that's part of how you're able to see the information, which is something that's very new, and we're going to continue to improve on this. But let me show you the best part. What if you don't have any businesses? Here, let me make my let me play around with this. Okay, cool. Making my screen a little bigger. What if you don't have businesses that have started the checkout process on your landing page yet? What if nobody's seen it? How do you find local businesses that want to that want online advertising? Right, and I talk about a few of these in my videos, but here's where we go. You want to go down to here. This section right here, which says get clients. Okay. Get clients. Now we are going to be adding to, oopsies. Sorry folks. It's not impossible to make money in today's online era. I was just hanging out with a bunch of knuckleheads doing $10 to $100 million a year doing it. I was hanging out with a 26-year-old kid making over $100 million a year in his company. And part of the reason why I've set up marketing tech is because I wanted to create an opportunity. I wanted to create the easiest way to make money possible. And we're still working on it. But I'd say we wanted to open new markets, and new market being local businesses. Okay. I also was thinking about what is a world I want to live in. And I want to live in a world where there's community. I want to live in a world where there's personal connection. I want to live in a world where people remember you and know your face. And people say hi. People say hello to each other. Instead of us all being anonymous numbers and user IDs on some computer cyborg Facebook algorithm. Because that's all what we are right now today, folks. You are a number in an algorithm. We are all becoming numbers in an algorithm, and our bank accounts are too. The governments are going to inflate, they are inflating our money, they are inflating all of our money away. They are creating all these crazy policies that are designed to basically keep people poor, put them in an algorithm, and let them stay away. So I don't want to live in that, and that's why we've been creating some ways for you to get clients here. So let's go into those. And who here knows what I'm talking about when I say being numbers in algorithms, right? Give me a hoorah! Give me a hoorah. Okay, so you have two ways to promote your, to find new clients if you're not through our system currently. And we're going to be adding more methods such as sending postcards to local businesses. We're going to be adding more methods such as sending DMs to Instagram, business owners on Instagram. We're going to be adding a whole lot more methods to reach out to local business owners, and I'd love your ideas of what you'd like to see next. But for now, we have two methods, and I'm going to go over those two methods. Okay? So the first method is number 1, which is promoting your landing page through ads. Okay? So the same technology we use to generate customized ads with a local business's information on it, we use with your information to generate customized ads to your landing page with your information, with your little image as well, to get more, to get people, local businesses signing up and giving you that recurring revenue. Okay? Celio Ramos, yes, each package includes it. That's the ad cost. So when they're paying $250, $500, or $1,000 a month, that is the ad cost. There are no setup fees. There's no retainer fees. There's no maintenance or optimization fees. There's no production fees for the video. None of all of those costs are zero or close to zero because they're done by software. And that's what we've been building, right? So these local business owners usually get charged. How much? I mean, for those of you who know, how much do local business owners usually get charged to set up ads and stuff? You know, from what I've seen, it's usually at least $1,000 for ad setup and at least $1,000 for retainer fees for ads. And that increases when you add stuff like video, when you add stuff like multiple ad networks. In our case, we're doing Google, Facebook, and Instagram without any additional costs. All they're paying for is advertising. Now, to promote your local marketing agency to get clients, I've shot the ads for these. I've written the ads for all of these, and they work. Okay? So right here you see we have Google ads, we have Facebook ads, and we have image ads and video ads. In this case, the image would not be me, it would be you, okay? You, or whatever you select, okay? And then the page you'll be advertising, we automatically use your landing page for you. So you don't even have to enter in the link, you don't have to go into Google Ads. Again, this is all done on This is all done on our advertising accounts. Okay? So you don't even have to set up a Facebook ad account. You don't have to set up a Google ad account. You don't have to create a video. All you have to do is work with Marketing Tech, and we set up the ads for your local marketing business. Okay? And you see we automatically insert your landing page link in there, and your payment buttons will be in there as well. We are re-engineering our landing page. We have been split testing things, and so we actually will have a higher performing landing page that doesn't show the buttons right away, but you will still be able to take payment. And your ads will show up in a local area to local business owners in a roughly 50-mile radius around where you live, okay? Because we want to make sure that you are really only showing up to local business owners rather than showing up to any random other folks. Now, here's the different packages. As you know, you get a lot of impressions, and we're giving them to you basically at cost. Okay, so as you notice, the packages are half the price of what the other packages are. So you can sign up depending on how aggressive you want to get. You can sign up for those. Let's go into the second way that we can help you get clients. Our software can help you get clients. Okay? And that is searching for clients. And this is basically, these are leads, and you get some of them free. Okay? You get 5 free leads. And this just costs me money, folks, so have at it. But here, this is really exciting. So let's say we are in, let's just search. Let's say we want to find dentists, okay? Let's say we want to find dentists. Dentists. We want to find dentists in LA that we can sell our businesses to, okay? So we have, let me open this up a little bit. So what you'll notice is you get some results, and then you have a bunch of, we give you a bunch of local businesses in your area that have dentists. Now I want to search closer to Malibu, so I'll type in, notice I just type in Malibu up here. I want to find dentists in Malibu to offer our services to, and I'm going to click search. And it will find me dentists in Malibu. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. I guess the map isn't loading. Where's the map load? Search. Now, here you get unlock contact info. So if you want to see their full contact info, all you have to do is click. And you can see all of the information. Did you see that, folks? See all that information just unlock? We have their phone number. We have their address. We have their websites. We even have their Facebook page. I mean, let's message this guy through Facebook if we want, right? So, or maybe his page isn't working anymore, but we can still search for him, right? So I guess his Facebook page is down. We have information about him and all sorts of stuff. Let's say we want to find another person. Dr. Let's say Ziv Smile Studio, okay? So all we do is we click unlock information, and we get their information. Now this doesn't have, I guess they don't have an email address. We can send this person a text. But we can get information for a lot of different businesses this way, as you see, and get people that we want to message, send emails to, phone calls to, etc. Make sense? See, Malibu Dentist at AOL, his phone number. So now we have a prospect, we have his Twitter profile, we have his address, all of this stuff, right? So we have multiple different ways we can contact him. And this is, you get 5 credits free here. And if you are enjoying this so far, guys, leave a huge like on this video so far. We're going to keep going. I want to get into some questions. But that is the long and short of the new features we've been doing. And what we're doing on the back end is we're split testing every day to make sure we get you guys the most results. Awesome. First thought, whoa, you got a haircut. Yes, I trimmed it up a little bit. Does this work with CPA marketing? We don't do the full advertising for affiliates. So here, I'll explain the affiliate portion of this a little bit. So the software actually came out of affiliate. We were building this for my students at Super Affiliate System. And we were building a system that allows anybody to just click a button and advertise their landing page. Click a button and have a landing page. Then we said, let's take it to the next level. And we want them to click a button and upload ads. The problem with doing this for affiliate products is we ran into issues where advertising nationwide products and having lots of similar content doesn't fly by the ad network. So we were seeing people get banned, and I wasn't willing to take on that liability. Whereas if we do this for local businesses, it works without a hitch. So we can't advertise affiliate products, but we do get, you can see some templates in here if you sign up for the full version, the $1,000 version of the software. You see custom products, pre-selected products, and all that stuff there. So there's some interesting functionality there, but we are not working on, we are not actively working on the affiliate stuff. We're focused, I mean, it benefits, but we are focused on making sure everything works for local businesses, because that's where I see the world going, and that's where the opportunity is. Okay? And if you know a local business owner, I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of videos to show you how you can even outreach to local business owners you know, just by saying, hey, letting them know you basically started you started a new job, which is you're a media buyer, you're a local business consultant. And I'm going to go over that in future videos, but you just let them know, have a conversation, or let them know in advance. You could go up to local business owners, and just say, hey, look, I'm thinking about starting this new career, as a local consultant. And one of the things is we do advertising, and just ask them their thoughts. Ask them what they think of you setting up the ads, and show them the platform. Talk to people who could be potential referral partners, right? These are the things that would be the best things for you to be doing in a local area. I mean, no clients paid to promote. Okay. And then is that an update way? This is an update. Yeah, this is all. First thought, whoa, okay, how much you charging to promote our marketing tech ad agency model? I put, the pricing is on there. You need to minimize webcam. Thank you. I did decrease it somewhat. Hi Shedrec, does affiliate, so they're paying, yeah, so essentially this is affiliate marketing. You're just doing affiliate marketing for local online advertising. And the great benefit of this is that each person who signs up, you build monthly recurring revenue. Okay? You build it up and up and up. And let me give you an example of how much that stacks over time. Okay. So let's look at this. So this is the commission structure. Okay. Now, if you are on the base version of our software, you earn 20%. If you're on the free plan of our software, again, you don't have to pay anything, and you can be earning money from us, which is huge liability, and I won't go into all of those things, but you don't have to pay us anything, and you can earn money. You get 20% of revenue generated from your clients. Okay, that's all the revenue is recurring. So what you're doing here is you're just building up recurring income, okay? And if you are on our paid plan for the software, you get 30% of revenue, okay? Now the goal here, again, with anything like recurring revenue, like insurance agents and whatnot, insurance agents, the goal is they work for 10 or 20 years and they build up enough recurring revenue to sustain them the rest of their lives. My goal and my plan with you is that you don't have to work any more than 2 years to have recurring revenue that will last you your entire life, okay? So and that's why we're building software and we're opening up new markets. So here's an example to get to of different earnings, right? If you sign up, if you have $5,000 in clients, $5,000 a month that clients are paying for ads, which is very reasonable. The average local business spends $2,000 a month marketing themselves, and they should be doing it online. They should not be doing it on like magazines or newspapers or Yelp or all these kind of extortion rackets. If you have $5,000 a month in clients, you get $1,000 a monthly recurring. Now that same thing, if you're on the 30% plan, obviously you get a bit more, right? If you have $75,000 a month in recurring clients, if you're on the free plan, you get $15,000 a month. If you're on our paid plan, you get $22,000 a month. And I also did some breakdowns in the commission structure to show you what it might look like, what an example. You might have about 30 clients to reach $5,000 in monthly income, right, on various plans. These are all very reasonable pricing. This is the most reasonable pricing for local business owners. And I also have an explanation of how we track everything in the commission plan And this commission plan will be posted into the platform today, and we'll always let you know when it's updated. Questions. I'd love to take some questions right now. What are your thoughts on the platform, and what would you like to see? Because I'm spending a ton of money on developers right now to get you something to help you sign up local businesses for advertising. And I wanted to, we have a lot of ideas. We're working on the backlog, but I want to hear it from you of what would you like? Good morning, Suvro. Do we got to pay the same amount as local businesses to promote our ad agency? No. So J.A. Senior, as you noticed, I went through this, right? The packages are, you get dramatically more. Sorry, let me refresh this page. You get the ads at cost, okay? You get the ads at cost. We mark it up a little bit to make sure we're spending our merchant processing fees. You're getting ads at cost on Facebook, Google, and Instagram. Do you think will be space for anyone who liked advertising online? Will there be space? It's free software. I don't know what you mean, will there be space? I mean, there's space in space. Okay, questions. Who here is excited? Guys, type in excited, or if you're from California like me, type in stoked. Because I'm stoked about this stuff, and I'm stoked to keep building it, okay? What else? For $97 monthly, you do not get Super Affiliate System training. No, you do not. Super Affiliate System is a separate training program I have for teaching people affiliate marketing, and that is $1,000. Where do you suggest I start? I'm new to this. Donna Alexander, I suggest you start by going, again, I'm not going to answer a bunch of newbie questions here, but if I really were, I would suggest you start with my free traffic methods, okay? Start with free traffic methods. Yeah. Okay. And apply those. Okay. For marketing tech, what I suggest you do, my suggestion to start is sign up and start talking to local business owners, Donna, and just let them know that you're thinking about becoming a local business consultant, and you're going to basically become, one of the things is a sales rep for online advertising. And ask them what their thoughts are, and even show them the software and say, hey, look, these are the ads I'll be setting up for local businesses. What do you think? You think I should do this? Do you think there's a demand in this area? Do you think this would be something people are interested in? Or should I pursue another opportunity? Again, it starts with conversations with local business owners. The reason why business owners who have restaurants or lawyers or stuff like that, they meet face to face is because they like dealing with people, not computers, okay? They like dealing in the real world and not in the virtual world. The reason why the business owners around where you live own businesses is because they like the world, and they don't want to get rid of the world and suck it dry of all of the money and all of the people and depopulate the world like what is the agenda right now. I'm not going to go too deep into that. This is not a political channel. You guys stop me when I start going too crazy in my conspiracy theories. But we're creating we're creating community here. And the reason why software like this will never get funded by all the big investment companies is because there's no investment going into the local space. Has anyone seen here any money going into local businesses from these big, all the trillions of dollars in investment money? Does anyone see that going into local businesses, or just business, or tech companies or businesses that help local businesses? None of it is, right? None of it is. But you need local business to survive. And that's the only way the world works. We're not algorithms. So, as a side note, if anybody's interested, I may be doing a private raise for the software sometime in the far future, but I'm not going to go into that. But you have to be on my email list to even get notified about that. I've had a lot of people asking to invest in my software. These are just business owners I know, as they see what we're doing. Do our free traffic methods work? Yeah, so the free traffic methods are sending emails, right? So that is one of the free traffic methods. And free traffic methods work, yeah, 100%. Sending emails, the best way is having conversations with local business owners in your area, because local business wants to do business off the internet. They want a real conversation. So if you just go and meet with a local business owner and you say, you just let them know what you're thinking of doing and starting, and you let them know that you're thinking of selling advertising. And if you think that is going to be the best free traffic method to get clients and to build your recurring revenue. Do this with everyone, frankly, it'll work. Okay? Are there monthly payment plans for super affiliate system? I forget if we've allowed that or not. Sometimes we'll do a special promotion where we'll allow a payment plan, but generally not. A super affiliate system used to be $5,000. Is this incorporated with Zoom so we can handle multiple clients at a time? Nina Shah, good question. This is not incorporated with Zoom. The thing is, local business owners that run restaurants, that are dentists, that are chiropractors, that are roofers, that are landscapers, that are tree trimmers, that run a daycare, that run a preschool, that run a private middle school, that run a parochial, middle school. These types of business owners, you want a real world connection with them. If you want to use Zoom, Zoom is also free to sign up for. You can sign up for Zoom. But these business owners, you should be meeting with them in person. And if you're not in the U.S., the software won't. If you're not in the U.S., Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, UK, the software is not going to work for you right now. We're only really relegated to Western English-speaking countries. And frankly, if you're in India, which Shah is, I don't know if you're in India, but I think that's an Indian last name. The American market is the biggest market in the world, so that's why we're focused on here first. But you can certainly sign up clients if you're, you can certainly sign up clients from anywhere in the world. Do we get 40% commissions from our ad agency clients if we buy SES? The top tier for commission is 30%. As you see in the marketing plan, the top tier is 30%. Okay. And if you get super affiliate system, when you get super affiliate system, you automatically get upgraded to the full plan for marketing tech. You get lifetime. Instead of having to pay $1,000 a year or $97 a month for marketing tech, you have the lifetime premium plan of marketing tech as a super affiliate system student. If there's one thing, and you can attest it here, folks, I take care of my students. I really care about my super affiliate system students, and we have seen so much success there. We've created a really cool community there. I love my Inner Circle webinars. And it's crazy. I get people coming up to me, at conferences and events now that took super affiliate system, an old version of it, years ago, and they're flying now, making millions a year and stuff like that. It's really great seeing the lives that my training has changed, and we update it every single year. At least once a year, we do a complete upgrade. Okay. How to get started? Sign up for marketing tech. Okay. Sign up for marketing tech, and then let every local business owner know that you are thinking about becoming a local online ads sales rep. Okay? And ask their opinion. Okay? And if they think it's interesting, show them their ads. Show them their ads. Now, we're going to make it really easier. I'm going to making it even easier for you folks to sign up clients for ads because I'm going to be doing a special promotion here. Who here thinks that they'd get more clients signing up for ads if you gave them a week free? A week of paid advertising free, just paid for by somebody else. Who here thinks you'd get a lot of local businesses signing up to test out online advertising on Facebook and Instagram and Google? Maybe something they've never done before. If their ads, if they could try before they buy. Okay? Who here thinks that, right? Well, I've got a bit of, I don't see the chat yet. There's some sort of lag, but I've got a couple dollars, right? I've got some money. I'm the founder of this. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing for some of our for our premium agents. I'm going to be footing the bill, the ad cost bill, for a week for a small number of clients to get them signed up, so they can try before they buy, because that's what local business owners want. So and this hasn't been released yet. This is another week or two in the making. But as you see, we're updating this constantly. So you get on this marketing tech train, you subscribe to my channel, you like this video, you're on a train that's rolling. And I've got money and I'm here to support you because we're building a software company, we're building local, we're building community, and we're getting America and the world back in the real world, out of the virtual world, because there needs to be more connection here. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be starting a try. This is going to be done on a limited basis, so I don't get, 1 million people signing up for free advertising, and then I just get my, bank account sucked dry. Because I know you guys would try to do that, but it's not going to happen. We're doing it limited, but it's only going to be for premium users. Okay. Other questions about the platform, questions about getting clients, managing clients. Let me know what can I answer here, and what would you like me to go over. I'm also going to go over some. We have some templates that can help you out dramatically. We have email templates so that you can send emails to these local businesses. Okay. So I'm starting to create resources for all of you. You can go to John Cristani, okay? Email templates. I'm going to give you guys a lot of resources right here. Okay, we're going to get you business cards. We're coming out with shirts. We're coming out with marketing tech shirts. We have them. I just haven't picked it up yet. With a logo. We have marketing tech business cards for you. We have marketing tech. We're going to have a lot of swag. We're going to have cool shirts, hats. We're going to have all sorts of stuff. Sweaters. We're going to have some special items for the ladies. And if you go to marketingtech.com/help, you'll be able to get some of these things are going to be in there. Okay, so we have an email template for you all. Okay. Oops. Oh, sorry. You can't see my screen. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Okay. Sorry, folks. I get too excited about this stuff. Okay. Email templates. Biz cards. There we go. I'm going to check the chat. We can't see your screen. Canada flag. Go Canada. This will be live on your channel. I've signed up from South Africa. I believe we actually work in South Africa. Nina Shaw, you're welcome. Any other questions? Great. Questions are relegated to subscribers. If you want to ask a question, make sure you subscribe. Okay. Now, we have some resources for you, including an email template, a sales call template, and a business card template. Now, the business card template is pretty exciting. This is something that you can edit yourself. This is something where you can get your business cards printed out for you. You can ask a local print shop to print out your business cards, to have marketing tech business cards with your name, your email, your phone number, and all that information on it. Just like this. Okay? You send this. I have a separate video going over how to use this, but basically you can make a copy of this file. You just click make a copy, and then you send this to a local print shop, and they will know what to do. Okay? We also have a tear tab template if you have local note boards. So you can actually have, you can put up some flyers around your local area if you have a place to put up ads, to put up flyers in your local area. Okay? Questions? Can I change my name on my landing page? You'd have to change your name and your account on Track Marketing. Okay? So to change your name and your account, what you would do is you'd go up here and you would change your name somewhere. Okay? More Trinidad and Tobago. We're not. I don't know if we're in Trinidad and Tobago, but if you'd like to see the full list of locations that we can support any English, and we support any English speaking country in this list. Okay. We connect with Stripe as our backend, so when you sign up for an account on Marketing Tech, you will have to enter in your bank routing information and your bank account number. And we are not getting that information, Stripe is. We've partnered with Stripe so that we can pay you your commissions. Your commissions are paid every single month through a direct deposit that is done through Stripe, which is a global deca billion-dollar company, and they support taking payments and doing payouts to all of the countries in this list. Great, just messing around. That's awesome. My local marketing agent video I use on YouTube, that is great. David or Don or whatever your name is, Johnson, Mr. Johnson. John, your video screen is covering. Yeah, I think I lowered it. How do I go about it? I told you, you talk Zachariah. It sounds, I'm assuming you're somewhere in Africa. Nesofo Wurabe. I've already explained this, but just assuming you're in Africa based on your name, you probably won't be able to use our software, man. Sorry. Mexico. Mexico is on the list, actually. So if there's English-speaking businesses in Mexico, great. Don Alexander, Manchester. Go, man, you. Okay. Okay, say my name. Just messing around. Okay. Any more questions or, yeah, do we have any more questions, folks? I really enjoyed our time together today. I look forward to seeing you. I encourage everyone here, sign up for Marketing Tech right away, okay? Sign up for Marketing Tech. We are improving it every single day. What it's going to look like next week, there's going to be more features next week. We are split testing everything. Your landing page is going to get higher and higher converting. Sign up for our premium, sign up for our paid plan. You will get unlimited local business credits, so you'll be able to see, you'll get not unlimited, but a very high number of local businesses where you'll get their information from. You will get discounts on advertising, and we get you, what is it? We get you, I didn't even get to my thing. Basically, the premium, you get a lot more benefits. Oh yeah, and when we release this landing page feature where we're giving away free advertising, I'm paying for, we're going to get people, that's only going to be for premium users. So I'd say sign up for premium, test this out, but the biggest thing is, folks, I want to go out and talk to local business owners and ask them what their thoughts are. on you becoming a local, selling online ads. Okay? Ask them what their thoughts are. Be transparent with them. Just let them know what's going on. Say, look, I earn commission. I'm working with a company. We put up ads on Instagram and Facebook, and I wanted to know your thoughts. That is going to be the number one way you get clients. That is the number one easiest way you can start getting clients and start getting your pipeline going. Beyond there, we have a lot more methods to get local clients. We're adding more marketing to the platform every week, and I'll be doing interviews on this channel with very successful local marketing agents. I have one guy who's selling to local businesses, earning $200,000 monthly passive income just from selling business services to local businesses. Okay, $200,000 monthly passive income just dealing in face-to-face local stuff, right? So I'll show you how he's going to talk about how that happens, and I'm going to be bringing on a number of other people who you've never heard of before, because they're not coaches or gurus or marketing people with an audience. These are just local business people. They don't have a YouTube channel, and they're going to be helping show you guys how. Folks, great stuff. All the best. The next live show, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will notify you about it. I will be doing this more in advance. How do you guys like the live shows? I'm thinking. I've been really busy this last few months. I'm full disclosure. It's kind of personal, but my relationship with my wife is changing. I don't know what I'm allowed to talk about, but so there's a lot of stuff going on, but at the same time, we're working on this every day. We're bringing on a lot of people, and so I'm thinking of doing one live stream a week and one quality video per week. I don't know if that works, folks, but I like being here with you. I like seeing the questions, and make sure you subscribe so you can be notified of more. Great, folks. Have a good day. I won't keep you too long. I want to keep these tight. Okay. Any suggestions for the next show? Any suggestions? Because I want to make sure I give you value, but I don't want to take up too much of your time either. Okay? Okay? Some good feedback. Thank you so much, folks. Have a great day. All the best. Sign up for Marketing Tech and talk soon. Bye.